What if I told you that money isn't avoiding you, you are subconsciously pushing it away? This book exposes the hidden mental blocks that keep you broke. This book will reprogram your brain to attract money. I am talking about the book by Jen Sincero in my way, divided into clear, easy chapters based on the core message of the book. This book, written in 27 chapters, captures the best of what Sincero learned, including how she overcame her limiting beliefs, built her confidence, restored her dreams, and multiplied her income. But for you, I converted it into six core chapters where I combine information all together. Welcome everyone, I am Ayushi and you are watching The Turtle. Chapter 1. You have to define your own path. You must have a mind of your own. People will always try to tell you what you should want, but if you listen to them, you will stay stuck in a rut. Your job is to discover your unique talents and become the most authentic version of yourself. You must ignore societal opinions and listen to your own heart to discover your unique talents. In this world, nearly everything required for your growth and happiness costs money, therefore, you must get clear on what you want. The purpose of accumulate wealth and being rich means having the ability to afford the experiences required to fully actualize your most authentic life. It talks about power of mindset where your financial reality is formed by your beliefs that is from your subconscious level which inspire thoughts which in turn drive emotions and actions. Chapter 2. How money is energetic. Money is not good or evil. It is a neutral tool and an exchange medium for value. It derives its value from the energy you gave it. To attract it, you must align your frequency with the money you want. Be clear on the value of the service or a product you offer. Be excited and grateful to receive money instead of feeling embarrassed. Connect with universal intelligence through your thoughts. Chapter 3. Burst your subconscious beliefs. Your subconscious mind acts as a blank slate at birth but eventually internalizes truth about money from family and friends. If you start believe money is a dirty and then you will never make it. So to take action you can simply do this. Face your money fears by taking a giant leap like paying a deposit for office space. Next, watch your mouth. Speak positively about your ability to make money to trigger positive thoughts. And last, silent contemplation. Speak only when necessary to allow personal wisdom to grow. Chapter 4. How can you connect money to passion? Wishing to be rich isn't enough. There must be a deep meaning behind it to prevent complacency. Know exactly what the money is for. Choose and not either or. Don't believe you have to choose between being a good person and a rich person. You can do what you love and make money. Visualize your life exactly as you want it to be and get emotionally invested in that vision. Chapter 5. How to master your mental makeover. Your thoughts create financial reality. To shift this reality, you must control your thoughts. So stop complaining. You can have excuses or success, but not both. Remember it. Second, focus on positives. This raises your frequency and helps you notice new money making opportunities. Decide there is a no plan B. If you have a backup plan, you haven't truly made a decision to be rich. Chapter 6. Surround yourself with high frequency people. Your environment shapes your perception of what is normal. Your income level is often the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Upgrade your surrounding, walk through neighborhoods where you want to live, or test drive your dream car to make wealth feel normal. Audit your circle, let go of a people who drain you and surround yourself with high frequency friends who cheer on you. If you enjoy something like this and want more powerful life changing book insights, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notifications. That way, whether you are waking up, walking, sitting, eating, or even walking, you can keep improving yourself anytime, anywhere. And let me know in the comments which language do you prefer, English or Hindi, to watch these videos. and where are you watching from? Your answers will help me create the next videos exactly according to your preference. Stay consistent, stay learning, and stay growing. I meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, tata, and take care.